This is Dan Meyer with RCR Wireless News. I'm at the Telecom Council Innovation Showcase in California, and I am speaking with
Magnus Åström.
And the company.
Now Interact.
All right. So, what do you guys do? What's your product here?
Yeah, we're combining machine learning and omnichannel in a solution. So what we do is that we track user behaviors online and also the cross-channel journeys. The visitors that goes from online over to the call center or go from online into the retail store. Mm-hmm. We capture data from the offline channels and online journeys and using machine learning to predict and offer the most optimal channel for every visitor to drive up sales and reduce cost.
And then, so who are I guess your target customers? Do you guys work with telecom operators? Do you guys work with vendors? Who do you kind of target your product at?
Yeah, so first of all, we sell direct to end customers. So we have 9 big telcos in Europe as customers. Okay. And we deliver an average uplift of 10% online sales increase, and we reduce the call center load by 20%. And then we sell to other industries, similar industries, financial services, travel, retail, etc.
And it seems like this market, obviously, when it comes to customer relationship and customer contact, it's such a growing market, and operators are always trying to reduce costs whenever possible. It's becoming such a big market, and there's so many various ways to interact with a customer now, whether it's online channels or the telephone. I mean, it seems like what you guys then are really targeting is kind of that growing market out there.
Yeah, it's a competitive market. The telecom operators, they need to work with other means than the price to attract customers. Customer service and engagements and experience is very important, but they can't do that to any cost. So they need to find ways to optimize how they're offering channels to both increase sales and increase profit, but at the same time create a better customer experience. And that's exactly what we are doing.
Got it. Can you give, I guess, a little bit of an example of maybe working with a customer and how you've been able to kind of help them maybe make something more efficient or kind of yeah.
So let me take an example. We're working with a telco in Holland. And they have been using live chat, and they've been using different channels for a while, but they have been using manual, thought out business rules how to offer different channels. And they wanted to try out what happens if they start using machine learning instead of the manual ways to do this. And we were able to reduce the number of contacts, low value contacts, with 60%, and at the same time increase sales with 17%, just by going from manual rules to machine learning. Gotcha. So that's a typical kind of data or typical result that we deliver.
And what's behind the scenes when it comes to the machine learning aspect of it? Is it just some sort of automation processes, or what's behind the scenes that kind of provides your secret sauce, or what you're bringing uniquely to the market?
So first of all, we collect all the clickstream data from the online journey, but that's not very unique. A lot of other companies are doing that. But what's more unique is that we were able to track all the calls going into the call center, all the live chats, the length of the call, what agents received that call, what's the outcome of the call. Was it someone who was complaining on the invoice, or did they buy something expensive? And those data points goes back into the machine learning algorithms and are used then to predict the next visitors, what they are about to do and if they need help or not.
It sounds a lot like almost like a big data analytics kind of platform, really, where you're taking in all this information, making sense of it, and then turning it around so a customer can use it quickly in their own environment.
Yeah, exactly. So what we believe that the data is the new natural resource, but you need to find ways to get value out from the data, and in many of the cases that would be algorithms doing the work, and we make specific applications and solve a big problem in a scalable way. That's what we do.
Makes sense. Now, I guess for the meeting here, it seems like, again, a lot of companies are here involved in very quick, intense meetings. How has it gone for you so far, I guess, in kind of nailing down some partnerships with people and just kind of talking to everybody? How's this been for you?
A very good event. Yeah. We've been able to talk to a lot of potential customers, and this problem that we address is a very known problem. So even if it's a short meeting, we only have 10 minutes each. After a couple of meetings, they understand, and the rest is about Q&As, discuss and what's the next step. So this has been very valuable for us.
Makes sense. Well, hey, great. We'll definitely appreciate the insight. Thanks for the information on what's happening with you guys, and again, good luck for you guys.
Thanks a lot.
All right. This is Dan Meyer with RCR at the Telecom Council Innovation Showcase. Thanks for watching.